guys, welcome back. So as you can see, my hair is now officially, I would say, about 85% dry. Typically back here and towards the bottom of my hair, those typically are those spots that take the longest to air dry, and I don't like to diffuse for a long time just because it takes forever. But for the most part, I would say this wash and go is a success. I like it. The curls aren't as tight as normal, but there's honestly no cast on my hand at all. It's really nice. And nice and big bodied. And that's what I need. Check it out. But yes, I do like it. We'll say this one was definitely a go. Thumbs up. And it smells like blueberries. But yeah, so if you guys have any product combos that you guys want me to try or anything like that, just let me know. Comment below. Make sure you definitely hit that subscribe button. Until next time, peace out, Girl Scouts and Guy Scouts. Can't forget about the Guy Scouts because some of you guys have better hair than I do. But if you're out there, just know I'm watching you. So watch me. Alright, I gotta go now.